Hi there, welcome to another episode of ABC Useful Tip. In this short video, we'll show you how to create interactive and fun NearPod lesson to attract your student to pay attention throughout your lesson and to be involved with your lesson together. I'm going to show you step by step how you create a new lesson from NearPod, from empty activities or slides to a lesson deck which you have slides and activity within the slides of your lessons, right? Different types of activity which I will show you quickly how they will look like. So I'll show you how the interactive it could be. You can start representing a slide and the student will see the same slide, and then you are in control. You can plan to get your student to do certain activities, and one of the activities fill in the blanks, right? The student just have to click and drag into a certain location. You will also be seeing the score right on the screen. The next activity we show will be the matching activity. Student have to match pairs. Once the student got all the answers correct, the results will show in the presentation panel. More item they will be showing is the draw it activity, the drawing board. Student can draw on the answer as part of their answers, or they can actually type in wordings as their answers. Whatever they draw, whatever they type, they will appear on the screen in front of the class as well. Okay, you can click on any student's work and expand it to show the class or to go through. Awesome, right? The lesson is so interactive, and so let's not wait further. Let's dive right into learn how to create a lesson in NearPod. To be first to be notified of future useful EdTech video, please remember to click subscribe at the bottom and also click the notification bell and give us a like and maybe some comments of how you can use it. First of all, open up a new Chrome or any web page. Alright, then just key in NearPod, enter. You will get into the NearPod homepage. Just click login. And you can sign in with your Google account or your teacher's account. So just click simply Google account, and then if you already signed in before, you would already be able to get in straight. Alright, if not, then you just click on your Google account as a teacher. You will get into this page. Right. So how do you create a NearPod lesson from the scratch? I'm going to show you step by step a few simple activities. Right. First of all, click on this create, and then lesson. So we're going to start the whole lesson creation from the beginning. You will come to a blank lesson page. Okay. First, click and change the title of your lesson. So in this case, I'm going to have a title for my next coming topic. My topic is written. Right, that's ethic. So in this case, the first thing to do is to get ready your PowerPoint slides, right? So that you can actually have beautiful slides in your NearPod activity or the lesson. Okay, so I already gotten my PowerPoint ready, and that is in my folder already. Alright, just a few slides, just to make it simple and so that the uploading can be fast. Okay, so what you do is this PowerPoint slide, just simply, if you were to put it to the side. Okay, the folder you open at the same time, you will see that you can upload files straight away into the lesson. Okay, so you just have to pull, drag, and drop, and let go. Okay, you will upload that PowerPoint slide into your NearPod lesson. Okay, once it's uploaded, you just click OK, and it will actually be added page by page for your PowerPoint into here as individual pages and activities. Alright, it's uploading, so we just gotta wait for a while. While we're waiting for the uploading, we can also add in other activities, right? Just to save the time. Okay, so you just have to click here, this add content or activities. You can find all the different activities that NearPod offers. Okay, so the first item I'm going to show you is the fill in the blank function. Okay, so you just have to click on activity. Just now when you started its content, just click on activities on the top tab, alright, and then click on fill in the blanks. Click on that, the panel for fill in the blanks will open up. Alright, so you just have to go and look for your content that you can copy. Okay, so I have decided to use this table, okay, this paragraph, okay, for my fill in the blank. So I just have to highlight and then right click, copy, or Control C. Okay, then you go back to your NearPod. Okay, back here in the first page of the fill in the blank panel, click on this gray panel where you can paste your text. Alright, you see the cursor blinking. Now you can right click and paste. Alright, or Control V. Okay, so in this case, you can actually choose a different background with the different fonts, right? I would like to choose something that is lighter, okay, but still with color, okay, something that could be attractive but easy to see. Then you pull down to the bottom and click next. Once you are in the next panel, okay, this is where you actually select the text for you to fill in the blank. So in this case, I would like to choose certain text, like for example respect. So I want respect. I just have to highlight the word. It will be created a drag item at the left hand corner of the left hand panel here. Alright, so you just select a few of them, as many as you like. Okay, and the rules of the game, and display acceptable behavior. Alright, okay, and play fair. Okay, cool. I have 4 that I want. That is it. So once you are done with all the selection of the words for dragging, alright, you just have to click done. Right, this fill in the blank is actually a drag and drop activity. Cool. So we are still waiting for the file to be uploaded. You can select another activity to be added. Okay, so I can show you another one. Click on the activity. Okay, this time round I'm going to do a draw it. Okay, I'm going to let the student be able to draw on or indicate their answer or choices in the table. Okay, so let's do a draw it. Okay. So in the draw it, like is mentioned as the name, you need to draw on something, so you need to have a picture. Okay, so I have already selected some picture I want the students to draw on. Okay, this is the one that I want them to choose some answers. Alright, so what I will do is it's in the picture, okay, JPEG. So I'll just drag the JPEG picture down here. Once you see the circle blinking, let it go. Okay, and it will be uploaded. And once it's uploaded, you can actually change the size to zoom in or zoom out. Okay, just this size will be just nice. Alright, so then I will save it once it's confirmed. Okay, while waiting for the uploading, I can add another activity, another type of activity I would like to show you. Okay, so we click on content and activity again, and that is a fun activity called matching pairs. Right, so I click it. You can actually match, as I will show you next, a pair of wordings, like for example a term and a description. Alright, so you can click in the term here. Alright, so I click on the term here, enter the text. I just have to type in the text, or I just paste the text if I've copied it. Alright, and on the other side, I will also type in the description or anything that I want. Okay, I can click here and then I can just type in things like this. Okay, side effects. Alright, okay, so side effect of black tap broker, these are the list. Alright, so I can make it easier to see. Alright. Okay, maybe I don't need so many. Okay, that's it. So one pair is done. I can add another pair. Alright, this time now I may want words to pair with pictures. So I add in the main words, then I'll add in the pictures. Okay, to do that, I click on the add image, and then I just have to open up the folder that I already saved my image. Okay, so in this case, I want this picture stimulant. Drag it over and then drop into it. Alright, so this picture forms a pair with this word. right? You can keep on adding as many as you want until you finish, then you click done. Okay, so I demonstrate one more time. Just click on add another pair. Okay, click on the text on one side, add image on the other. Alright, so this one is click and drag over to here, let go, and then wait for it to be uploaded. Okay, so once it's done, you just click done. Okay, so you have all the pairs here. If you after you click done, you still want to add, you can still add some more. Alright, so if you can also preview how it looks like and how you can play it, right, by clicking here, preview. Okay, so the student just have to click to each pair, okay, at one go. So let's say, for example, this is beta double. So once it is correct, they will click double. Alright, so if it's wrong, alright, then it will show red, and then they can try again until they get it correct. Okay, cool, until they finish the game. So once it's done, you confirm all these other pairs that you want, just click on save, and then it will be uploaded. Okay, next I'm going to show you another activity, alright, and click on the content and content activity, and this will be the most common one, which is open-ended question. Alright, so you can actually click on that, open-ended question. So this panel will come out where you can type in your question. Alright, this is a question that I want. Okay, you can give more instructions on how to answer this question. And once I've confirmed the question that I want in terms of even other description or helping words, alright, so the next thing I want to show is to add a timer to that activity. Okay, so you can click add timer for this particular open-ended question. I'm going to give everyone 2 minutes. Okay, and then we just add it. So once you are satisfied with the question, just click save. Right, although it is still processing, but you can see that the slides are already up. Right, so you can while it is all highlighted, you can actually shift it to a location in between the activities that you want it to be placed. Right, so I would like to place it right here. Okay, before the open-ended question, and one of the activities actually follows after the slides, which will be here. Cool. Okay, and then that's it. Okay, you can actually just rearrange them and then launch it later. Okay, cool. Once your slides are ready and your activities are ready, you can click save and exit, and you can get ready to launch the lesson to your students. There are many more activities and interacting activities that you can actually put into your lesson. Right, in the next video, we will show you how you can actually create games within the slides of your presentation. Collaborate board, where you can actually get all the students to participate with discussions of their points and putting all their ideas together on the board to show everyone. Alright, we will also be showing you how to create a video activity in the NearPod lesson deck, where the students can look through a video, and then at a certain juncture you can stop and get the students to answer certain questions. Right, so I hope all this will be wonderful and useful for you. Okay, if you find this useful, please click subscribe at the bottom or click subscribe here at this round button, and I look forward to seeing you again. Take care.